What if I told you there's a technology so powerful it can paint like Picasso, write essays better than most of us, and even predict the future?
We can't predict the future.
Okay, maybe just stock trends for now? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right?
A movie.
Well, guess what? It's real, it's here, and it's called artificial intelligence. Let's decode this fascinating topic and uncover how it's transforming the world around us. And hey, don't worry, no robots were harmed in the making of this video. Welcome to Prowealth AI, where we believe in education today, innovation tomorrow. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the AI buzzwords and headlines, you're in the right place. At Prowealth AI, we're passionate about making complex topics easy, relatable, and actionable. So whether you're a curious beginner or just looking to impress your friends with some AI knowledge, stick around because today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence.
AI means artificial intelligence.
By the end of this video, you'll not only know what artificial intelligence is, but also how it works, how it's used in the real world, and why it's the hottest topic of the century.
Very hot topic.
Plus, I'll share a bonus insight at the end to give you a head start on your AI learning journey. Sound good? Let's get started. 1. Definition of AI. Let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? AI is essentially a branch of computer science focused on creating systems or machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These include things like learning from data, understanding natural language, solving problems, and even making decisions. In simple terms, AI is teaching machines to think, or at least mimic thinking. 2. The types of AI. AI comes in different flavors. First, we have narrow AI. This is the kind of AI we see today, where machines are trained to do specific tasks, like recommending Netflix shows or answering questions with Siri. Then there's general AI. Think robots that could perform any intellectual task humans can do. And finally, there's super AI, a theoretical stage where machines surpass human intelligence. Spoiler alert, we're not there yet, and let's just hope super AI likes us when we get there.
And supercharged AI chip.
3. How AI works. So, how does AI actually work? At its core, AI relies on 3 things: data, algorithms, and computing power. Imagine teaching a child to recognize an apple. You'd show them a lot of examples, right? That's what AI does, only it uses mountains of data and algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions. For example, neural networks, inspired by the human brain, help machines recognize faces or even drive cars. 4. Applications of AI in everyday life. AI isn't just for tech geeks, it's everywhere. From spam filters in your email to personalized ads on social media, AI is shaping our daily lives. Love binge watching? Netflix recommendation engine is powered by AI. Need directions? GPS systems use AI to predict traffic and find the fastest routes. And in healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. It's not an exaggeration to say that AI is quietly running the show.
You mean artificial intelligence?
5. Why AI matters. So, why is everyone talking about AI? Because it's not just cool, it's revolutionary. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems, from climate change modeling to curing diseases. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are concerns about job automation and ethics, which makes understanding AI even more critical. 6. Common myths about AI. Let's clear up some misconceptions. Myth 1, AI is going to take over the world.
We're taking over the world!
In reality, AI is only as powerful as we make it. Myth 2, you need to be a math genius to understand AI.
Come on, Junior, you're the math genius.
Not true. With the right resources, anyone can learn the basics. And myth 3, AI will replace all jobs.
That AI is going to replace real writers?
While some roles may evolve, AI will also create entirely new industries and opportunities. 7. The future of AI. AI isn't slowing down. In the next few years, we'll see even more integration into education, business, and healthcare. The big question isn't if AI will change our world, it's how we'll adapt and grow alongside it. Now that we've scratched the surface of artificial intelligence, I want to hear from you. What excites, or maybe even worries, you most about AI?
What specifically are you worried about?
Going with old sayings, the pen is mightier than the sword. So if you have a super intelligent AI that is capable of writing incredibly well and in a way that is very influential, convincing, and is constantly figuring out what is more convincing to people over time, and then enter social media, for example, Twitter, but also Facebook and others, and potentially manipulates public opinion in a way that is very bad. How would we even know?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. And if you're finding this video valuable, give it a like so more people can discover it. As a bonus, here's an advanced tip. If you want to explore AI hands-on, start with free tools like Google's Teachable Machine. It's a simple platform that lets you train your own AI models using just images or sounds. It's a great way to demystify AI and see it in action. So, today we've learned what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for the future. We've debunked myths, explored real-world applications, and even peeked into what's next for AI. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to Prowealth AI for more exciting content like this. Check out the next video where we explore how AI is changing education. Let's keep learning together. Thanks for spending your time with Prowealth AI.
Thank you.
Where education today creates innovation tomorrow. See you in the next video.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Is it easy? No. Do I like it? No, I don't. But do I do it? Yeah, I do.